Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome this morning. So check it out. Really quick, I'm gonna do a demo video here for you guys to show you how I set up different devices for doing B-roll on occasion for different projects. So as you guys know, I've been working recently with this Neewer little tabletop dolly. It does come with this ball head mount, which is very convenient. Now I want an easy, fast, efficient way to be able to transition between phone shots and things like that, especially when I'm doing like these overhead shots and I'm using the same phone and I need to be able to switch back and forth. So on my magnetic mount here from Snap Mount, it comes with this phone, no, it doesn't come with, but you can purchase this phone mount additional, right? So what I'm gonna do, or at least in theory, what I think is going to work, I'm actually going to take the phone mount off of the Snap Mount, and that's just going to leave us with this. Now this is going to be fine if you want to use this in vertical or in portrait, and what I mean by that, currently this is in landscape orientation, but if you were doing like a TikTok video or Instagram, you can rotate that into your portrait orientation by just adjusting this little switch right here, and you have this little ring back here for adding tension and locking down these jaws so your phone doesn't come out, okay? So what I want to be able to do is to use this phone clip on this motorized slider. So I have this little accessory right here. If you have a GoPro, you probably are familiar with this. If you don't have one of these and you decide to go this route, you can purchase these on most platforms, including Amazon, very inexpensively. So I'm just going to attach this like so. And I'm gonna leave this a little bit of play in here so I can kind of adjust this as I need to before I completely lock it down. And then what I'm gonna do is attach this to this ball head. All right. And you want to just snug it up. It doesn't have to be super, super tight because of course, you still have the flexibility of being able to move this around for pretty much wherever you want it to be, right? So once I actually put a phone in here, then I'll have a better idea of where I want this to be placed. So the cool thing about this is you have multiple adjustments, right? So if I wanted to adjust this, 90 degrees or more, almost 180 degrees if I needed to, I can do that with this phone mount. And I can also change the orbit, and because the dolly can also be adjusted, I can adjust the different angles for whatever it is I'm trying to capture. So anyway guys, I just want to do a quick video showing you how I'm setting this up. I'm just going to post this on Facebook, Instagram, the normal places. And hopefully, if you guys have been thinking about this, you've been watching some of the stuff that I talk about in my live stream, and you see how I'm setting this stuff up and how easy it can be to create, amazing content, using some of these devices. If you have any questions about it, I will be live tonight, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Come on through, hang out with your boy, ask your questions. That's what I'm here for. And yeah, I'll see you all tonight. But until then, my lovelies, drink a lot of coffee. Stay safe out there. Peace. I'm out.